Hey everybody, now we're back here and him, look, right. Now we're back here. Now the fireworks are about to begin. Let's get back a little bit, because like, I don't think this is fine now. Oh god. I turned off render distance though. Oh my god. Let's back away a few more paces. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Oh no.
Wait, duck down. Go down, duck down.
There's the light. Oh no. Let's back a bit. Move back even more. Oh my god, we need to run. We better run.
Seriously. This is good enough. Dude, this is fun.
Oh, there it goes. Oh no, it's... Oh crap. Is it faulty? Oh no. Oh. That was a close call. It almost exploded. Come on. Okay, they're just firecrackers. They're not actually explosives. So we can just stay here. I think, Henry, this is a safe enough distance.
Okay.
Alright. But I don't think this is 8 meters apart from...
Don't worry.
my...
Well, according to my calculations, it's about like...
You don't even wear glasses.
6.
Oh my
God.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Me neither. There are some mysterious lights.
God, second. Do you want the second one?
Oh my god. Henry, are you actually scared or not?
Yeah.
Don't worry. Don't think. Yeah, but anyways, comment down below on episode 17. What should we name the axolotl?
Are you sure it was an 18?
No, because I told 18 that the description will, that the episode 17 will be in the link in the description. Right, there's another fire. It's gonna fizzle out. Let's actually get a better view at this.
I'm not.
Well, knock yourself out.
I'm just gonna be like a fish that just away from you.
Knock yourself out.
Fine, I'll be with you.
Knock yourself out just means that you can do it. Okay, this is good. I keep hearing fireworks, but no, it's just
It's just crackers. Crackers. Save your something.
Okay, hot mama. Is it ready? Okay.
Come back.
Alright, they're lighting it. Alright, I don't think... No. Probably isn't a firecracker. Again, what are all the explosions?
Hey!
Oh my god. Run back. Oh my god. Oh, sorry you guys couldn't see it. Oh my god. That was loud.
That was very loud.
Dude, you got...
That was loud. My god, I'm sorry you guys didn't get to see it. Oh god. There was a bunch of mysterious white dots.
I know, that's what I see every time. Do you think they're UFOs or maybe identified ones? Anyway, we tried to run back.
Alright, there's some. They're going around at the back of the tree. If you can see those flashes of lights, those are fireworks. Alright, but let's run back. My God.
I do not.
Frick. Oh. Yeah, I'm not that certain of it either.
I think I peed my pants.
Really?
Yeah.
What the? You're weirdo.
What? You can't blame me.
Anyways, there are some bombs going on in the sky. Oh, there's.
Oh, it's going off, Ray!
Oh my! Whoa! That was big. That was epic.
That had gold, Ray.
Yo, that was epic. Right, enough. No more fireworks, okay? Henry, do you not want any more?
Let's just finish him off so we
No. No. Why? Switch yourself.
Wait! This is far enough. See?
What's that sound? I think it's ours.
Wait, this is 9 meters. Go.
No.
Here.
Right. These are really loud explosions, so don't think 9 meters might keep us safe.
Well,
Not our
this
ears.
is 9 meters.
Our ears, yeah, 9 meters. Our ears will definitely hate us after this video.
My eardrums are bursting. Not literally, but they're saying we should stop with the fireworks.
Yeah, I think so too.
They're just so crackling.
Yeah, I mean, we did get 1 or 2 on camera. So maybe, should we film the journey home so maybe we can see if there's any fireworks?
Sure.
Good.
Wait.
Yo, that was sick. Alright, go啦! Go啦! No, 不要了！不要了！Hey, 你别 No, don't. Well, I just don't want it anymore. No. Why?
Run.
Yeah. I'm gonna run as far as I can.
Wait, this is as far as we can.
No.
Wait. This is 10 meters away.
No, I don't know.
Wait.
Once it goes off, we're still running, okay?
No.
Usually with fireworks we see have been going off for 20 meters away. Still pretty big. Huh? UFOs. Some mysterious white dots in the sky.
I can see it. Ray can see it, but I don't think the viewers can see it.
Oh my. Whoa.
my
That was a big one. That was a big one. Right, I don't think there's any more.
Look at that. That was a big one.
Is that all? Okay. Let's go. Alright, guys. Whoa, look at that. Yo, look at this firework. That is absolutely sick. It's also on the ground. That's cool. Absolutely nice. How long will this even go for? Yeah, because like as much. Alright, it's out. Alright, bye guys.